Hi, I'm Roldan F. Kutamura, a passionate social media manager with a proven track record of building online communities and achieving marketing goals through social media. I have experience managing accounts across major platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I am skilled at creating compelling content, data analysis, understanding audience preferences, and staying on top of the latest social media trends. I am confident that my skills are fit to this position. I am a quick learner who thrives in a fast-paced environment, and additionally, I am passionate using social media to connect people and build strong relationship with them. Thank you and good day. Bye-bye.